So I'm out here today at the creek and I got limited time to fish, so I'm just gonna fish with the Whopper Plopper. Try to catch some power fish real hard. I think I only got about 2 hours to fish, so hopefully you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Stay down. Nice. He crushed it. Okay, cool. Oh, Smalley chilling in the shade. Nice. Oh. It's like foul hooks. But hey, he just came up and crushed it. Little guy. There we go. These little guys, dude. These little guys are just absolutely hammering it. I mean, he crushed this. Another little guy. Man, what a jumper. Oh, jeez. That was awesome. Oh, okay, that's a decent fish. Bummer, dude. There we go. Feels like a good one. Nice. Oh yeah. There's a fish that I was looking for. Smalley. Nice Smalley. Go back up in there. Still throwing this Whopper Plopper 90 yellowhead. And things are starting to pick up for me here. So usually bridge spots are pretty good. So we will see if this bridge has anything underneath here for me. You know, they're probably just sitting up in the shade right underneath here. Oh. It's a nice one. Oh my goodness. What a fighter. What a tank. Oh, nice fish. Alright, that's the fish that I was looking for. Probably a nice, I don't know, 13, 14 inch fish. But nice one underneath the bridge. It's kind of what I was looking for. What a great fish. Awesome. That was awesome to watch. Oh, that's gonna come off. Oh, great. Oh, yep, there he goes. That was cool to watch, man. Wish I would have landed it, but that was cool. Oh, nice. Oh my goodness, did that fish just come out and just absolutely hammer it. That was a fun little fish right there, let me tell you. You know, I was about to pass this spot up and I'm glad I tossed it in there. You know, not a huge fish by any means, but that was fun. Oh! Dude, I'm telling you, these guys are aggressive today. I'm trying to do some tube fishing. Oh boy. That is loud. I gotta get it down there. Oh, that's an awesome fish. Oh, and then he came off. That was great. Oh gosh. That fish freaking blew up on it. Oh, not even a big fish, but what a crazy blow up. All right, little guy up in the tube. Feisty guy. Alright, I'm gonna finish my day off. I didn't do too much talking in this one, kind of just wanted to enjoy the weather and get out here and fish with some topwater. It's been a while since I had a solid day with some topwater, so chose to put on a dark sleever at the end here and didn't catch anything. So hopefully you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching, and if you made it this far and you liked it, hit that thumbs up. That'd mean a lot to me, and consider subscribing if you're new here. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.